Not hooked very good. Okay guys, I'm gonna drop in. Oh, it's tight. But yeah, as you can see, I'm in the cave. What's going on, guys? Benny Ventures back at it again with another epic adventure. Today is absolutely insane. I find a cave and go cave diving. I catch some fish. It's just a day that's full of adventure. So stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss this video. And if you guys enjoy content like this, please give the video a thumbs up and sub to the channel. Let's get to it. Fish on. Oh, it's a pretty good fish. Nice smallmouth. On the jerkbait, baby. Oh yeah, better than I thought. Stay pinned. Oh, he's not hooked very good. There he is. Beautiful. Yeah, he was hooked better than I thought. Nice. On the old Mega Bass 110+1 in Clown. That's a smallmouth killer, guys. Really nice smallmouth out of this awesome little pool. Really cool spot. The water is absolutely crystal clear. Unreal. Beautiful dark brown smallmouth. Man, I love these river fish so much, guys. Caught that on the jerkbait. Awesome, awesome. First fish of the day too. That's a great way to start it off. Nice and chunky. You can tell fall's coming and these fish are starting to feed up. Beautiful fish. Get this lovely fish right back. Woohoo! That woke me up. That thing just sprayed my face. I got a fish on it. He's got it. Little guy. That was awesome though. Beautiful fish though. Settle down, buddy. Not a big fish, but definitely a beautiful fish. And that was so cool. I saw that thing come out of this rock up here. You guys might be able to see it on camera actually. Yeah, I think you can. Came out of that rock and just chased down that jerkbait. It was just slashing. Finally got it. Get him right back. All right, buddy. You have a good day. Oh, another one on it. Got him. That was awesome. Oh, he came off right there. Okay, guys, let's keep moving on. Whoa. No way. I just came across a cave. I mean, it's just in this huge bluff wall. There's a little cave. Gollum, anyone home? I don't know, it's kind of sketchy, but I kind of want to check it out too. I think I'm gonna. I don't know, I'm not gonna get too crazy with it though, guys, so. Oh, it's tight. Actually, hold on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna drop in. I'll take you guys with though, but this squeeze is legit. Oh, it's sketchy. It's really sketchy. It goes way down there, actually. It looks like it kind of actually goes left too. Oh, it's creepy. Whoa. Even with the phone light, you can hardly see a thing. I don't want to like walk into a bear's den though. Just get eaten like a Cheez-It. Whoa. Alright, I kind of reached the end of it. It's not as big as I thought, but it's pretty big. It opens up into like a big, like I'm standing up, it's probably about 15 feet tall. I mean, it looks like if you're really nuts, you could squeeze down even further, but I'm not about that. So I'm gonna get out of here. It's kind of sketchy. But yeah, as you can see, I'm in the cave. Ooh, this is nuts. I've never really gotten to a cave in my life like this. Ow. Hit my head. Well, that was pretty cool. Also, I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of sketchy. Doing some cave diving today, guys, I guess. That was nuts. I hope the camera could see with the light, though. It was pitch black in there, no joke. But that was really cool. I kind of got a little spooked, though, I'm not gonna lie. Probably shouldn't have done that alone. But, hey, we made it out. Okay, guys, I just got done with the cave. I'm gonna continue to fish, and hopefully we can still catch some fish, too. I got a spot that I'm gonna drop into, and like I said, hopefully continue to catch some fish. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh. Freaking giant. Just the size of this fish's tail, that's all I could see. I could just tell it was a tank. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm not kidding. I just had a giant smallmouth all over this bait. He couldn't hit it though. He just didn't quite commit to it. He was right on that thing, and he was nosing up on it hard. Oh, he's right there still. Golly, it's a huge fish. Lord, please bless me with this fish. Oh, just got hit. Oh, there's two. Right there. Oh my. That's not the big mama, but that was stupid of me as well. I'm all spun out though. That big fish, man. Right here. I just lost my patience because that big fish has me. Oof. I don't even know how I'm feeling. That was stupid though, because that was a big fish too that I just kind of blew. There's a little guy. What is that? Little smallmouth? Yep, little smallie. Just a minnow. Pretty fish though. Just went right under that rock that I'm standing on too. It's pretty cool. Okay, I haven't fallen on this yet. I really hope today's not the day because it is so cold. And it was not today. Sometimes you gotta just be a little slimy eel. Eel mode activated. And that's just how it is. Man, this water is so low. It's actually incredible. I've never seen it like this. Oh, there's one. Little smallmouth. Right by my feet. Beautiful fish. Not expecting that bite at all. That little guy just came up and hit it, like no joke, 5 feet in front of me. Really cool. Just felt that jerkbait stop, and there he was. Check that out. Just a giant hole in this rock. It's honestly, that's probably 8 feet deep at least, I'd say. Yeah, probably about 7, 8 feet. Insane though. Just years of that water just collecting in there, slowly eroding that rock away. It's just insane. I made this jump the other day. Gonna make it again. It's kind of sketchy, to be honest. Okay, that was pretty smooth. I'd say that's probably like a 7 out of 10. Stuck the landing. Oh, there's a fish. Doesn't feel big at all. Yeah, he's tiny. Such a cool spot though. That thing hit it instantly. Lots of little guys as of now, but you know, we take them, happily take them. Man, the thing is an ice cube. All right, buddy. Nice fish. Maybe not nice, but better than the last like 5 I've caught, that's for sure. It's a decent spot, not big. Yeah, it's not a bad fish. Not a big fish, but not a bad fish. Again, they're definitely little meatballs. They're feeding up for fall. Nice fish though. We'll get him right back. Beautiful fish. I'm actually gonna go venture out onto this rock. It's pretty shallow. I think I can just walk across. We're gonna find out at least. Yeah, we should be able to. It's gonna be a little cold. Oh, okay. Deeper than I thought. Oh, oh. Oh, that is so cold. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was a lot colder than I expected. Oh, a lot deeper too. That was really the main problem. All right, nothing on the big rock. Now I gotta go wade across again. At least I know what to expect this time. Oh. 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 It is so cold. Oh. Oh. Whew. Okay guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Today was absolutely insane. I know I didn't catch a ton of fish though, but this was just an awesome adventurous day. I really had a ton of fun again. And yeah, you know, the river's changing, the temps dropped a ton. So I think it's just kind of got the fish in a little bit of a funk. And you know, that's just how it goes when the seasons change. You know, the bite slows down some places, gets better some places. But yeah, it was an awesome day. I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. I took some risks. And if you guys enjoy content like this, please give the video a thumbs up and sub to the channel. It'd really mean a ton to me. And until next video, have a great week.